I don't know if you all remember this piece that was broke off. I'm gonna go ahead and try to weld it back on. Hopefully I won't damage the chrome, at least not the part you can see. I don't know, I'm gonna give it a shot instead of just buying a new one. We'll see what happens. Alright, I'm gonna start a bead on this side here and see if I can get this to work. I don't know. We'll see. I don't know why, but they run silicone up in here for some weird reason. I don't know why they even put silicone in here. Makes no sense. What I'm going to do is take the silicone out of here. Even though that looks like it's going to work very well, I'm going to run another bead right in here just to hold it together, give it that extra strength that it probably needs. Not the best looking weld, but it'll have to do. And I'm happy with that. The outside weld came out really good. The inside weld doesn't look pretty, but it'll actually work. I'm gonna have to grind this down, make it look nicer. This one's not bad. And then decide what I'm gonna do with this. Leave it chrome, but somehow I gotta protect that. What's gonna rust to shit. So we'll see. We'll see once I grind it down. Somewhat nice. Alright. Inside here. What I think what I'm going to do is clean this up real well and just give this a coat of clear so it don't rust. And then I'll silicone the edge back up like it was before. And the green coat is done on the Tour-Pak. I find that doing it in the garage, there's less chance of stuff hitting it and stuff like that, dirt, bugs, whatever. Thing is I dirty the garage out with overspray. I'll just have to clean it after. But looks good. Looks good. Happy with it. Up to this point, a couple of runs here I'll have to sand out. Overall, it's okay, but can't let it slide like that, you know what I mean? Alright, that's it for today.